The Everbloom planter box. Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are going to unbox and assemble the Everbloom 17x19x21 box planter. Let's get the planter out of the box. The legs come in pairs for each end. A pair of legs has extensions that point toward one another. There are slots in the boards that are a push fit into the C-channel legs. There are assembly options for 16.9, 14.4, 10, and 7 1/2 dirt depth. I am assembling for 10 inch, so I am inserting wide boards first. Insert narrow boards first for the deeper options. The narrow boards are inserted with a thin section toward the top. Position the legs as parallel as possible. With the lower wide boards assembled, you now put in the narrow boards for the sides. Make sure you put them in with the thin section toward the top. For the second narrow sideboard, do not insert it all the way down if you are assembling for the 10-inch dirt depth. If you want 7 1/2 inch depth, then push the second narrow board all the way down. I got ahead of myself, but it is easy to adjust. With the partially inserted sideboard, insert one bottom board in the first board lower slot and adjust the second side to just hold the bottom board in place. Then position a second bottom board in the first board lower slot and the partially inserted board lower slot. When the bottom boards are just holding position, push the partially inserted sideboard all the way down to lock the bottom board in place. Now insert the top wide boards. Adjust the legs if needed to make them parallel. Add the top caps to protect the sharp edges of the top of the posts and to keep dirt from falling down the posts. Now unfold the ground cloth and insert it into the planter. There you have it. The planter is ready for dirt and plants. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing. Click on these links to see other Everbloom planters.